Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of A Day in the Life of a New Home Salesperson. Today is August 29th, 2020, and you probably noticed I did not do an episode last week, and I just decided to take a week off from doing the videos, but apparently so did any home buyers. Last week, I sat out in the garage of the model home and did not see one single person. So that is not uncommon for this time of the year. End of August, kids are getting back into school. And so a lot of times people just don't look for homes. In Utah, our housing market has been crazy. And the time of the year hasn't really mattered that much because of Corona, the dang coronavirus. So today we have our grand opening, and grand openings are kind of, you never know what's going to happen. Last year we spent thousands of dollars, we sent thousands of flyers and did all kinds of marketing and advertising, and we had about 12 couples show up, but not a single one of them turned into a buyer, and really none of them were even decent leads. So the last grand opening I did for Dapple Gray Trails in Lehigh was a total flop. And so I'm kind of curious how today will be, because normally this time of the year people aren't really out looking at homes, and we didn't send out any flyers, and we only announced it on social media. So I'm a little nervous that today is not going to be awesome. However, that will not change my attitude. I'm going to go in with a really positive attitude. I'm going to work hard and hope for the best. And really, you have to remember this in sales, especially home sales, that it just takes that one right person walking through the door, and you really just need to be ready to take care of everyone that you meet and do your best to help them find what's going to work best for them. I try to focus on not selling people homes, and instead try to focus on solving people's problems. So when people come in, I want to make sure that my product will solve their problems and put them in a better situation financially. So anyways, I'm heading to work right now. It is 9:55 a.m. I'm behind schedule because I got behind schedule on my workout this morning. And, I hate lifting weights. I really hate it. But I'm almost 46 years old, and I feel like if I don't keep myself in great shape, my quality of life will decrease rapidly. So I'm working my best to keep myself physically, mentally, morally, spiritually in tune as possible, so I can have the best quality life as possible. So anywho, I'm behind schedule, and the grand opening starts in 1 hour and 3 minutes now. So I got a lot of setup to do when I get to work today. So not sure how much talking I'll do to the camera before the grand opening, but here we go. Okay, so it's 11 a.m. I gotta go put my tie on really quick. You can see behind me, the model home is decorated and ready to go. Later, probably in a separate video, I'll do a full home tour so you guys can see that. But for now, we gotta get ready to go out and greet some people. Okay, so the grand opening went okay today. We had John Aldrich from First Colony Mortgage here, and my assistant was here to help greet people. We had 4 total new people come through the model home. 2 of them were probably just here for lunch, free lunch, right? And the other 2 were, okay. So I'm not sure if it was a success. I would say it probably wasn't like a big success or anything like that, but I did get a double cheeseburger out of it. So at least I got that, and I'm not eating red meat too often anymore, so that was kind of nice. Anyway, so it's over now. It was good to get a little workout and have some people in the model home. It's great to have the model home You look at behind me, it looks amazing. So I'm not gonna do a home tour of this model in this video because I just published a home tour of this video this morning. So if you wanna watch the video, the home tour video of this house, I'll put a link to that video below, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple pictures really quick, little videos maybe that I took of this house, and then maybe if you really wanna see the home tour, you can check it out by clicking on the link below. So yeah, there was a lot of good things that went on today, but the best thing was that I wasn't sitting outside for the first time in like 2 months. So it was great to be inside in air conditioning with a finished model home to show people how amazing our homes really are. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it enjoyable or helpful, please give me that thumbs up. I appreciate it more than you know. Also, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button below and ring that little bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. Once again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time.